So one of the new things that we've started to discover about YouTube ranking factors is that if somebody's watching a video of yours on YouTube and then they follow through it and watch another video within your channel, this is a major ranking factor. Well, it kind of makes sense because it's an increase in retention time on your channel, so you could call that channel retention time. It's also increased in the watch time of your videos as well. So what we've done is we've made a combination of this and we have automated it, and we've also added in that we have got high retention time on the videos themselves as well. And let me show you how. Okay, because here's what happens with this new tool that we have just built. Basically, we will watch the video and all the way through we'll watch a video until we have this end screen as another video here that you need to put in. Okay, so if you've got an end screen video here, then what happens is our software will watch this video, and as it watches this video and goes to the end, it will watch this end screen as well. And you can go as deep as you want. It's just basically some settings. So I'll just open up the software here. You can see this is VidAttack Alpha. Now this is an upgrade for VidAttack Alpha. It doesn't come with the previous purchases. What you can do here though is you can see now, if you've added in this upgrade license, you now have this little button here that says play end screen videos, and you can make it watch as many as you want, as long as you have an end screen at the end of each one of those videos in that sequence. Then you're increasing the channel retention time, the video retention time, the channel watch time, the video watch time, all in one go, all in one campaign. And you can see how powerful that is. Okay, so for example, if I had told us to go and watch 2 end screens, then what would happen is it would watch the original video, it would watch the video that is on the end screen all the way to the end. That's your first end screen. Then it would watch the next video that was on the end screen all the way to the end. So you would have 3 different views if you had in here number 2. So for example, if I've told the software to go and watch my video 17 times plus 2 end screens, I've got 51 views in total. This is very, 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 very powerful stuff. Now, when we come in here in the search engines, we can choose all these different search engines, but for the purpose of what we're doing here for this particular strategy, what you want to do is you're going to click on YouTube only. Okay, and this all happens within YouTube, so that you will get more retention time for your channel, more retention time for your videos, increased watch time for both channel and videos as well. And this is a major ranking factor. Now, I did send a video out this morning, an email out this morning. I embedded a video there, and in that video it was from some other people who had been recording some videos on YouTube from a channel called Project Income School. And what they had done is they had set up a brand new channel, and within 7 weeks they had 9,000 subscribers. And part of the reason for that was because they were getting people to watch not just one video but follow on and watch another video. Okay, they knew this was a major ranking factor. And what happens then is YouTube will rank your future videos higher and faster, and also they will start to show you on the suggested videos, and often that has got more traffic than what the actual YouTube search will get. In fact, some of the top YouTube people will tell you there's 2 times more traffic from suggested videos than there is in the YouTube search itself. Okay, so that's basically what we're taking advantage of here, and it's very, very quick and very, very easy to do. Now, all you need to do here, you can see you just set the amount of time, the amount of views. You choose here to play the end screen videos, and you choose here how many end screen videos you want to use, you want to watch, and you click on YouTube, and here you just put in the video URL, give your project a name that's for your use only, and put in some keywords in here. So I might want to do forum marketing service, etc. Just do that again, forum marketing service, and we'll do forum marketing. And basically you can just do variations of that. Whatever's in your title will work. As long as the words can be found in your title, you can rank for multiple keywords. And then all you would do then is click on save, and it's going to save that there. Now, I have actually got my campaign on pause here, so when it's done the settings in the background here, it's not going to kick off yet because it's going to have paused. I need to unpause it for it to work. So what I will do is I will do a second video that I will link to from the end screen, and basically I will show you the software in action as it's actually going and watching the videos until it gets to the end, and then it will go and watch the video on the end screen. So watch the next video that will be on the end screen of this one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe as well, because we've got a lot of really cool stuff coming out in the next week or two. Thank you for watching.